Hi everyone, and I'm happy to see you here. Oh, so you made it. Right now we're having 7 sharps. Oh my God, we did so much, and I'm very proud of you that you practice so much and you getting it all these scales, and it's really, you feel like your mind is exploding, or your mind is getting like smarter. It's like, oh my God, I'm so much smarter right now. Really, it's really fun. All right, so C sharp, what it means, you have all sharps, you gotta play them all, and it's one of the easiest one to play. You're starting with finger number 2 on C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp. It's called the B sharp, and then C sharp, right? So these are the sharps. F, so we're repeating again. F, C, G, B, A, E, B. You see? F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, B sharp, F, C, G, D, A, E, B. That's what I want you to practice. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay? Or just like that. Okay? F, C, G, D, A, E, C. You see them? So these are the order of the sharps that they're coming, like the G major has the F sharp, D major has F and C, A major has F, C, G, E major, F, C, G, D. Okay, this is a recap of the scales, right? And then, what E? 5 sharps, F, C, G, D, A is gonna be B major, F, C, G, D, A, E is gonna be F sharp major, F, C, G, D, A, E, B is gonna be C sharp major on the second note. We are 5 keys apart from F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see that? The perfect fifth. And that's how you play it. I'm gonna go again. It's the easiest one. You're starting with finger number 3. So you might wanna practice this one. This transition of the fingers. And then this transition of the fingers. Sorry, number 3. 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 2. And then if you wanna go to octaves, right? So this is our 4 notes. You know the drill? Right, so practice again. And then you just can go and figure it out. So number 1, it's always further away. So the white key is further away of the one before. You see, it's the further away. You know? Left hand, start with finger number 3. You can see it very easy. And then number 4, you play all the way, and then you arrive to here. And then again, 3 notes. It's one of the easiest scale to play actually, because it's very much into the fingers. Okay, so practice the left hand. Again, you can practice this transition. And then you put it together. Nice and easy and gracefully. As I said, it's one of the easiest gonna feel really comfortable on this one, even though it's 7 sharps. You see, it comes a set of 4, so it's gonna be number 4 here. Come a set of 3, and then now set of 4 right hand. Start with number 4, and obviously you can go further. 4 left hand, 3, 4. Always number 1 on the white key. Both hands on the white key is number 1. We made it. I'm not gonna say more about this one. After you did all the scales, I'm telling you, this one is one of the easiest. And guess what? This one again, it's enharmonic with a D flat major, okay? When I'm gonna go to D flat major, D flat, D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, D. So there are 5 flats in here. You'll say, oh my God, I already know that, because they are exactly the same, but they do have different names, okay? So we already learn right now C sharp major and D flat major. So thank you so much that you have the, courage to embark in this journey with me and learn all the scales. I'm really, really proud of you, and I'm gonna see you right now in the next one when I'm gonna start with the minor scales, okay? So bless you and practice. Thank you. I hope you enjoy our tutorials and my performances. Music Academy International, it's a non-profit foundation. Its goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study with international teachers. Please consider to become part of our Patreon family, link below. By subscribing, $5-10 a month will really go a long way. All our family, friends, and students, they do have access to our private channel called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I am holding a live seminar once a month. Thank you so much, and God bless you.